Odan CTC TV. The American Biano of Anissa. Odan for na Ajatum. Tell party. What I say, Ajatum. Tell party. Party Ajatum. Odan for Jimudi. Monti Tum. City TV. City TV. COMOAKU. City TV. I want a place, Michelle. Blaster place, no. Ghana local place, no. All will be a share. City TV. City na. Keko. Boa.
Gudam.
Agya Koo. Yeah, the indoors.
area coordinators and polling station executives. And then what we are first. We did first, we deserve. But we are the last place, the late. But then we are still BANTAMA. Maybe can accident this year and I'm the mom said 2023 and buy a 2 year. And we will have a woman as you get and to a back a car. Now we need many songs. Yamoya, the Damas, Yamisha. What to our parents say, Ophié, and you fear. And you fear. Aside of you, me, the BANTAMA is Chicago, with TBA 64. The dear Shaka come to the BANTAMA, the Maniaji. Now, if I say what you are men can be a Agyapong. So they know what can they come and meet you. Maybe. Say, Okasa, the man Kenya, and maybe a million for Dama. And the person, the mama, the shame said, my mama one example, American president, the friend Donald Trump. The first time that all back, for me, my family is the friend Ruby, or a senator, Florida. Contest. Oh, we are to the deal. Papa, give a draw or two, little Rubio. And a baby, little Rubio. Ocean argument, oh, yeah, and it's only want to know. You'll be surprised, and then on the Secretary of State, which is equivalent to foreign minister. Trump, the foreign minister, any rule. A man will be a young Shisha, 70 million to 1 MP of the now they come on Talia and no moment they are praying. In fact, now I hear that say, see, I will say, the president of this country was who will call Belia or Coast, BANTAMA president, BANTAMA Sugar, and practice. Secondly, they call Belia at least. Oh, what do you do? You are a drama, Emma, a job. The cow, the half. Now, the president, in Sudan and Kumasi have Ashanti region. They were properties, Bako, 26. So, when it comes to development, wait from February. The basic factory or a big job, there was a 5 acres. And now, no, we have to the oh, Master, and comment on or pursue. I'm going to the time of Jesus and Kawawa. Officer, me and campaign about broken. Many years ago, they were called Asas. mentɔ mede bɛyɛ fati ama mmeranteɛ ne mmabaawa ɛyɛ bi ano ɛwɔ Bantama this time any president wɔ ha any vice president any minister any MC any CEO obiara na obiara ebi mu nya kuduro na mu nya GDA sɛ president ma ha na mu ntie o ebi ne mu sɛ o obi yɛyɛ no motoma no a ɔbɛyɛ ne minister motoma president na ɔmfiri Bantama a ɔbɛyɛ ne minister na president no a ofiri Bantama so ɔno nso bɛyɛ president any minister one of the development about Bantama why and the final say our only others cultural center they are going to develop number 1 tourist site in Ghana. We have rich culture our Ashanti region rich culture and so the people are not better Ashanti culture. I will revive Ashanti culture through tourism. Baby, I tell you, say approach the idea and you come and you one time, each and every Agyapong is the president of this country. William, so the president on the first thing I'll do in Ashanti region is to move Ministry of Lands, Forestry and Natural Resources to Kumasi. I will move local government ministry to Kumasi. It's upset agriculture. That time I think Bantama. Now race course brand Mexico. Race course. And no brand Mexico. It has the open transport. And I'm not chairman. And just small boys. Now we want to stop near the home near. And then somebody what race course would have done to us, you have no idea. I will speak to you for if I'm president of this country and I will revive the race course. Ashanti region. The entire Pacific lands and forests, natural resources, and the balance. We Ashanti region, any western region, there be a gold, any timber, any Inyama, cocoa, and what is our 2 regions. I will compare 2 regions now, Ashanti, as a western and western north, Agyapong. But the Ministry of Energy, Agyapong western region, it is a whole young gas. And what is that in petrol? 80 minutes. Minister of Agri ever called North region because as the whole one, we are going to develop the lands over there. Some of the ministry in Baha. What is happening in Ghana is that apart from Accra, every regional capital is there. The only time who said capital alone and picking up a Friday afternoon 2 o'clock. What do you mean, John? I'm for the year. Go to airport, or be airfield to June, or to Pimpa, or Kumasi, or Port Sunday, 2 to say a thing, not Coca-Cola waha, Guinness waha, sawmills waha, and no man not a human ever. Send your money now, so to revive it, I will start with 2 ministries. This time, anything related to local government, you come to Ashanti region. Anything related to lands and forests, natural resources, you come to Ashanti region. When there's a free 2 ministries in Alabama, everything that happened. Muhammad Daibuwa, young man, workers never high. Omunya bi hanswa real estate developers edema ombastati base benyaduma carpenter benyaduma plumber benyaduma electrician benyaduma steel bender benyaduma tilers benyaduma painters benyaduma. You see that the city begins to pick up. Anything related to families is not bad. Omeda hotel, Obedi hotel for Benesika, Omobe High, Emranti and Mamawa, Amoma Yuma. Oba weekends, I am going to develop Lake Bosomoke. Lake Bosomoke for tourists to go there. Again, Museum Sawaha, now we are going to develop it. Number history, the rich culture of society. Baby, yes, Santua, Efi, Edoso. We are going to develop it. You have a lot of things. I need to hear you. In Akayan, any open for or two business, I say, I will to be actually the same way. I am and to my Africa. Master, earlier that the Ashanti region vote Modiba, Emma, both parties. The trend is NDC, 30% when you have 8 margin, where you have FDP, 71-72 or winning general election. But when it comes to development, as a former any business about here, and a man, a group of women and because like a bank, a man as a Jamaican. I'm sorry, I know Convernochi Hospital. I'm telling you today, sir, and I'm and Bobo to hospital. They will never allow any sick person to go to that hospital. I remember a hospital in New Jersey, Newark, called St. Michael. Already for and the more 80. Yeah, and who come inside. Who come inside. The close hospital till I speak to you. Now, Ashanti CSA, the only hospital I'm on. Over time, so that 1 year old after CSA account, so when you're going to set them in Agyapong or BANTAMA and the other hospital in England, the human go be so. A minister cannot get everything for you. A president can get everything for you. Minister, the ministry of war and will order. But the president can give order to any minister. And I will charge Ministry of Health and Defense to finish the hospital or complete it within 3 months. And yes, all those in charge, I will sack them. first lady, only vice president, one of them. First lady, only vice president, one of them. Yeah, and you saw that the vice president. But I want to pay a decision. Now, I was something about the war for you, Mumasi. Because you know what I'm saying. And you are also the boy is here. I have to put them in the camp. Oh, now, I shan't hear everybody to bed full stop. Full stop. And then I want to put it on the and now only a powerful. Our body, who do what? As a black. The guys is very nervous. Already for the people at the war. Radio, so I was not business. And now, we do what happened. We do fear better than the Oku today. Was a scratch or china or poor. Sabuni, not for pure and as the world was of the Shadows. The man, my grandmother, so Kitwano, any man in our casa, oh, my Baku and 10, the year by 10 December, and one by 22nd December, is Serbia. Over to that twins. Over to that telephone so back on one project about 2 hours. No would go. Assistant, I'm begging. Tomorrow, don't speak. I can't fail my phone. To the choir, Obia was a master. The master has a room. Or the girl who got to that woman warning. That is what the controller the back toe. But the controller the market one. The good need now chap who call now be one is Zibia. Who am I? Who am I? Now trouble. The truth is